Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how we can set up app lock on this HUAWEI. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Security section under Storage. Now click on App Lock and choose Enable. Then click on the best option for you, locked screen password or custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so I have to click on it and create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. You need to answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question one more time, but this time select custom question and create your own. Remember to save it by choosing OK and answer it correctly below. When you're ready, click on Finish. Now just click on the switches next to apps that you wish to lock. For example, I want to lock my app gallery, so I have to click on this switcher and tap on Home button. Now when I try to access App Gallery app, as you can see, PIN is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, enter your PIN or screen lock, and tap on the same No Blue switcher. If you wish to disable app lock completely, click on this blue switcher next to app lock feature. Then choose Disable in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!